The intelligence of the octopus. A look into their extraordinary minds. When we think of intelligent animals, our minds often go to mammals like dolphins or primates. But in the depths of the ocean lives a creature that defies all our expectations. The octopus, with its otherworldly appearance, blue blood, 3 hearts, and a donut-shaped brain. These cephalopods are a box of surprises. One of the most unique characteristics of the octopus is that it doesn't have just one brain, but 9. You heard that right. In addition to a central brain, each of its 8 arms has its own mini-brain. This unique architecture allows its arms to perform tasks independently and efficiently. However, the central brain can still direct its movements. A system that gives the octopus the best of both worlds, localized and centralized control over its actions. In terms of brain power, the octopus is exceptional among invertebrates. Its brain-to-body ratio is the largest of any invertebrate and even surpasses that of many vertebrates. A common octopus, for example, has around 500 million neurons, roughly the same number as a dog. The most interesting part is that 2/3 of these neurons are in its arms. This incredible neural architecture translates into astonishingly clever behaviors. In experiments, octopuses have demonstrated their intelligence by solving mazes and completing complex tasks to get rewards. Beyond the lab, their cunning is legendary. There is a story of an octopus that would escape its tank, open another one to eat the fish, and return to its home without a trace. Its ability to solve problems has also been seen in nature, such as the octopus that stole crabs from fishermen's traps. What truly elevates their intelligence is their ability to use tools. Something rare outside of primates, dolphins, and some birds. In the lab, they have used objects to get food, and in nature, they build complex dens with rocks, shells, and even bottle caps. The blanket octopus goes a step further, using venomous jellyfish tentacles as a weapon, as they are immune to its venom. Perhaps the most convincing example is the veined octopus, which carries coconut shells to build shelters elsewhere. They accept the risk of being vulnerable along the way, demonstrating genuine planning and tool use. Octopuses can also recognize individuals, including human faces. There is a story of an octopus at the University of Otago that seemed to dislike a staff member, spraying her with water every time she passed. Experiments at the Seattle Aquarium confirm this. Octopuses reacted differently to a keeper who fed them compared to another who bothered them with a stick, even though both wore identical uniforms. Their intelligence is also key for survival, especially their clever disguises and escape techniques. Octopuses are probably the most skilled camouflage masters in the world. They can change the color and texture of their skin instantly, using specialized cells called chromatophores and populae. The mimic octopus is particularly astonishing. Instead of camouflaging itself, it imitates a wide variety of venomous animals, like the lionfish or sea snakes. It adapts its imitation based on the predator, choosing the one that represents the greatest threat to its attacker. Recently, scientists have found genetic clues that could explain their remarkable intelligence. They discovered jumping genes, which make up 45% of the human genome and are also abundant in the octopus. While most of these genes are inactive, a specific type, the line families, are active in humans and play a crucial role in learning and memory. Astonishingly, these genes are also active in the octopus's vertical lobe, a section of the brain vital for learning. This similarity, although likely a result of convergent evolution, suggests a common genetic basis for complex cognitive processing. In conclusion, the intelligence of octopuses is profound and multifaceted. From their unique nervous system with multiple brains to their advanced problem-solving skills, incredible camouflage, tool use, and personal recognition. These creatures continue to amaze scientists. The recent discovery of genetic links deepens our understanding of how such complex intelligence could have evolved in an invertebrate, making octopuses one of the most fascinating and intelligent inhabitants of our oceans. Money explainers.